Hi, and welcome to Neo's Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this look is inspired by Andrew Siwiki. And if you're not familiar with Andrew, he is Shane Dawson's cameraman, partner in crime with editing. Like, he is so, embedded in the group, and I love it. And, I had to do a look based off him, and you're probably thinking, okay, well, why did you do, this really, Halloween-like look? I'm gonna tell you. Anytime you see Andrew, he's always in gray or black. And what stands out? His hair, which is like a, not raspberry, strawberry blonde, which shows up really orange certain times. So it's like, boom, copper, let's go. I just love this look with it. And yeah, I feel like I just had to pay homage to Andrew because he is so much a part of Shane's support that you need to give love to that. And I know a lot of people love Andrew. I love Andrew. He's awesome. So, yeah. And of course, I had to have a blinding highlight. Anyway, I'm going to stop so you can get into this video. Okay, so let's get started. And I already took care of my eyebrows and primed and set my lids. And I used Fresh from the Sultry palette, and today we're using the Sultry palette mostly. So this is going to be similar to my Godzilla look, but I first do want to start off using Twig high in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take Slate, which is this gray, and put that right underneath. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush and just help to blend those two. Okay, so now just to deepen, I'm going to take Dystopian and start to focus that on the outer third crease. Now I'm going to blend again. I'm going to take Noir, place that on the outer third. Okay, so I'm going to use my usual trick where I'm going to take the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow. This is the liquid catsuit in Camelback, and I'm going to use that to recut my crease, kinda cut the crease, and use that as a base for what I'm going to use on top. Okay, I'm only going to take care of one eye at a time. Real quickly, I'm going to take Ember and use that on the center portion of the eye. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Sequins Glam Glitter in the shade Paparazzi and place that on the inner third of the eye. I know I'm talking off because I'm trying to just get this while this eyeshadow's so wet. Real quickly, I'm just going to blend the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, take care of this eye, take care of my whole face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. I'm really loving how this look is coming along. Also this highlight. I will say originally I was not a big fan of the Ambrosi highlighter, but it's grown on me since they re-released it. Anyway, we're gonna go back to the eyes. Like I mentioned on Monday, Skinny Legend. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in those same colors, so going from noir to dystopian to slate, and using twig underneath to help blend. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna speed through that. So now, and yes, I did take a little bit of fresh to help blend underneath, to help brighten as well. Now we're going to take, we're going to take steampunk. We're going to place that on the inner corner and underneath, because that really helps like bring out the eye. Actually, you know what? We're going to take steampunk and a little bit of pearl. Steampunk as the base, pearl as the topper. Okay, so now for the waterline, I'm going to take this. This is the Killer Coal in Siren. This is from Collab. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want to use Fighter by Maybelline or if I want to use Extra Cinnamon Please. Yes, this is Extra Cinnamon Please. I don't know which one I want to use. They're both around the same color, so I think I'm going to use Extra Cinnamon Please because I haven't used that on my channel yet. I feel like this was the right choice. I'm gonna quickly put this back up. Okay, so I'm gonna go spray my face down, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look, and I love how this turned out. Honestly, I'm getting such like Halloween vibes, so I'm just like, take that paparazzi and put it all on the lid instead of adding that ember. I can't remember the name. But instead of having ember, if I just put paparazzi all on the lid, I would live for that. Honestly, I would. And I know you might be thinking, oh, I think I probably said it in the beginning. But anyway, just as a recap, you're probably thinking like, okay, but why did you do like gray and then these? Because anytime you see Andrew, he's always wearing gray or black. And when you see him, what stands out, his like kind of gingery hair is like strawberry blonde. So I'm like, you know what? We're gonna go for it today. We're gonna have gray and copper. And honestly, I've been dying to use this eyeshadow since before Christmas. Anyway, I need to stop rambling so that I can clean up and then. Oh wait, what? I still have time. Woohoo! Okay. Yay! Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button because every time we release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what else to say, so thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!